Have you ever wondered how the pros make it look so easy to kick a goal in soccer? Today I'll show you how the pros make it look so effortless. First of all, you need a soccer ball that's probably filled with air. The goal is optional to have, but helpful to have. We'll start off first with passing the ball. The easiest of the two, well explained in this video. You'll need a target to practice passing on for good results. You're going to want to kick with the inside of your foot in between your heel and your big toe. After you have the foot placement down, drive your foot through the ball to your target. If the ball doesn't go far enough or goes too far, try and adjust the power you hit it with. Next, we'll work on shooting the soccer ball. When kicking the soccer ball, you want to use the inside of your big toe. One mistake that's commonly seen is the ball is kicked with the front of your foot, which won't give you the results you want. After that, you're going to want to step a little further from the ball. Next, run toward the ball and drive your foot through the ball. Another thing that you want to make sure is that you stay on top of the ball, because if you get under the ball, it's most likely it's going to be way too high for your likings. Finally, just keep practicing and you should see results.